Greetings and welcome to Creating a PowerPoint by Christopher Bossert. The first thing that you need to remember about creating and presenting a PowerPoint is to keep it simple. There is nothing wrong with using the white space or the negative space to your advantage. You don't always have to fill up the empty areas in each slide. Sometimes less is more. Limit the amount of bullet points you use, as well as the amount of text in each bullet point or on each screen. The information your audience receives should come from you, not the screen. Use high-quality graphics to help create a mental snapshot of the information you are presenting. Remember to use colors that invoke an emotional response. Use a consistent theme throughout your presentation and avoid pre-made templates built into the software. Get creative and show your audience your presentation is unique and that you put forth effort when creating it. Colors and fonts are two key points to focus your theme around, but not all colors are good, just like not all fonts are professional. Stick to basic colors and use fonts that are professional, like Arial Black, Lucille Console, or Calibri in your presentation. People are cognitive learners, so naturally it can be very helpful to use videos when trying to convey the message in your presentation. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.